Hi everyone, my name is Star Excel, your Excel Sifu from YXL. In this video, we are going to see how we are able to compare two multiple columns or more against the other side and returning the matching values on the other side. This method is one of my favorite approach to handle this because it allows greater flexibility as well as it allows expansion on our data. To get this thing to work, and we want to have the row by matching. After that, return to the previous row once you have highlighted in the green as well. Let's see how it works. To get this thing work, we need to have the column where we want to do the comparison. So I name this column as key. So both of them must having the same key to combine all the data together. So I just equal the first one, ampersand, and the second one. And press enter, you will see there are two data. Now it becomes one. So I just double click on the field handler to copy downward. Similarly, I want to do the same thing on the other side. I add a new column. I call this as a key as well. So I will do the same thing, equal the subject area, ampersand by the table name and enter, and double click on the field handler. You are able to see this copy downward easily. Even though they are not in the same arrangement, you are able to get the data across. Let's see. I'm going to use match index to get this over. So equal index. When I see the index is highlighted, I use a tab to auto-complete this with open parenthesis. Subsequently, select the column where we want to comprises of the previous row, which is in the column C, and comma, I want to buy matching MA. You will see the match is highlighted. Therefore, you press the tab key and select the own key and comma by matching my key against the series of key on the other side. So whatever we are looking at is always going towards the previous data or the master data you have. And comma, use 0 because I want to match exactly the same, and double close parenthesis and enter. You're able to get the result easily, and I can double click on the field handler, then double click, it will copy the whole thing downward. This approach is very easy to maintain. However, to get used to this kind of method, it will take a while and practice. If you find this video is useful, please like and share and subscribe this channel. And my name is Excel, your Excel Sifu from YXL.